So whenever they get shipped, they always get packed in newspaper or wet paper towel. So we're going to take some of our paper towels that we have and put them in the tank water, since that has the pH levels and the salinity. So it's kind of like what they're used to. Oh, Leanne, in the freezer, where the ice cream is, there's a whole bunch of ice packs. Would you please bring those to me? She's still moving, she's still looking great. She's still got her eggs down there. So I'm going to try to pack her a little tight just so that in transport she doesn't move around and bounce. I actually have these extra boxes here to kind of brace her. I'm going to put some more paper towels around her so that the ice packs aren't directly on her. Like I said yesterday, lobsters, they can survive out of water as long as they're wet. Thank you, Leanne. They have both lungs and gills. So when they are outside, they kind of switch over to their lungs. And then whenever we show them off for kids here, we always rinse them. We tip them with their head up so they blow all the bubbles out that are hanging around their lungs and gills so they can start breathing with their gills again. Get her in there so she's all nice and snug. I think the one's going to do it. Then I'll get that all taped up. Yep.
So now she'll go to Maine, right?
Yep. She'll be shipped off, overnighted, and will be delivered to Maine by 10:30.